Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to solve problem from exercise 3.1 from chapter 3 for CBSE class 12 mathematics students. In this video, I am going to solve problem number 6, 7, exercise 3.1 chapter 3 matrices. We have to find the values of x, y and z from the following equation for the subdivision 1, subdivision 2, subdivision 3. What is given in subdivision 1? 4, 3, x, 5 which is equal to y, z, 1, 5. Here order is 2 cross 2. Here also order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, by definition of equal matrix, both the matrix are order is same. Therefore, corresponding elements are equal. Solution: since order of LHS and order of RHS are equal, therefore by definition of equal matrix, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal means 4 equal to y, z equal to 3, x equal to 1. Therefore, x is 1, y is 4, z is 3. Subdivision over. Now I am going to discuss the second one. What is second? It is given as second subdivision. Both the orders are equal, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. By definition of equal matrix, if the matrix orders are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. X plus y equal to 6, equation 1. 5 plus z equal to 5, xy equal to 8. If xy equal to 8, y is 8 by x. 5 plus z equal to 5 means z equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 8 by x in 1, x plus 8 by x equal to 6. Cross multiplying, x square plus 8 equal to 6x. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. If you multiply, the value should be 8. If you add, value should be minus 6. Possibility is minus 4 minus 2 plus product value is 8. If you add, value should be minus 6. One of the factor x minus 4, another factor x minus 2 equal to 0. If x minus 2 0, x equal to 2. If x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. When x2, y equal to 8 by 2, 4. When x4, y equal to 8 by 4, value should be 2. Here for x 2 value, therefore y is also having 2 value. Along the side, z value is 0. Now I am going to discuss the third subdivision. What is the third one? X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z, 9, 5, 7. Here also see the order. Number of rows 3, number of columns 1. Here also 3 cross 1. Again, by definition of equal matrix, corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, x plus y plus z 9, x plus z is 5, y plus z is 7. X plus y plus z equal to 9, equation 1. Here find z value or find x value from 2. 5 minus z. Find y value from third. 7 minus z. Substitute in 1. 1 implies 5 minus z, 7 minus z plus z equal to 9 plus z minus z cancel. 12 minus z equal to 9. 12 minus 9 equal to z. Z is 3. If z is 3, what is x? X equal to 5 minus 3, 2. Y equal to 7 minus 3, 4. X value 2, y value 4, z 3. Now I am going to discuss 7th problem. Seventh problem, we have to find the value of a, b, c and d from the equation. Here order is 2 cross 2. Here order is 2 cross 2. Again, by definition of equal matrix, if the both order are equal, corresponding elements are equal. Here LHS order is 2 cross 2. RHS also order 2 cross 2. Therefore, corresponding elements are equal. A minus b minus 1. 2a plus c 5, 2a minus b 0, 3c plus d 13. From these two, find a and b. A minus b equal to minus 1, 2a minus b equal to 0, 2a equal to b. Therefore, a minus of 2a minus 1 minus a equal to minus 1, a is 1. If a is 1, what is b? 2 times of 1, b is 2. Now substitute a value in equation 2 to get c. 2a plus c equal to 5. A is 1, therefore 2 plus c equal to 5, c equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Substitute c equal to 3 in equation 4. 3 into 3 plus d equal to 13, d equal to 13 minus 9, d is 4. Continuation, problem number 8. If A equal to Aij, M cross N is a square matrix if, again by definition of square matrix, when we will say matrix is said to be a square matrix, number of rows and number of columns are equal. Here number of rows is M, number of column is N. If both are equal, then the matrix is said to be square matrix. Therefore, option C is the correct one. Here I am going to write definition. Square matrix if number of rows and number of columns are equal, then the matrix A, which is equivalent to Aij, is said to be square matrix. Therefore, option C correct option. Problem 9. Given as which of the given values of x and y make following pair of matrices equal. Here two matrices are given. When will both the matrices will be equal for what values of x and y? That's all. We have to find x and y from these two matrices so that these two matrices are equal. Again, by definition of equal matrix, if orders are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. Solution. Here order is 2 cross 2. Here also order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Second one, y minus 2 equal to 5. Third one, y plus 1 equal to 8. Last equation, 2 minus 3x equal to 4. Here, what is y? 5 plus 2, 7. Here also, what is y? 8 minus 1, 7. We are getting y equal to 7 from these two equations. Now, I am going to find x value. 3x plus 7 equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 7. X is minus 7 by 3. From this, 2 minus 4 equal to 3x, minus 2 equal to 3x, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Here x is minus 2 by 3, here x is minus 7 by 3. But values are same for y, but for x it is different. Therefore, for this problem, it is not possible to find such a pair of matrices because of x value different one. Option B is the correct one. Last problem, exercise 3.1. Problem number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is option A 27, option B 18, option C 81, option D 512. Solution. What is A? Given as Aij, order is 3 cross 3. Therefore, total elements in Aij for order 3 cross 3, 9. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Order 3 cross 3. It is given with each entry 0 or 1. A11 0 or 1, A12 0 or 1, A13 either 0 or 1, A21 0 or 1, A22 0 or 1, A23 0 or 1, A31 0 or 1, A32 0 or 1, A33 0 or 1. Therefore, A11 has two possibility, either 0 or 1. Similarly, for A12, A13. A21 2 possibility, A22 2 possibility, A23 2 possibility, A31 again 2 possibility, A32 2 possibility, A33 2 possibility. Total element 9. Therefore, possible order is 2 power 9 512. For the problem 10th one, option D is the correct option. If you like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe it for more video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.